Hi, I'm Chip and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to be covering the entire Airstrike lineup of nailers and staplers. Airstrike technology is really unique. It takes the outside air, pulls it into the Airstrike cylinder, compresses that air, and uses that force to drive the piston and the fastener into our material. This eliminates the need for noisy compressors, really big bulky hoses that we all can't stand to wind up, and also eliminates the need for gas cylinders. It's so elegant in its simplicity. Now, there's a lot of different tools in the lineup, but they all feature some really cool things, including the dial-in air compression setting. This allows us to easily and quickly on the fly adjust the depth of our fastener and the power of the actual compressed air. We also have the non-marring tips and fine adjustment right here at the tip to get that nail set exactly the depth that we would like. We also have a lot of lighting built in to illuminate our workspaces. Now let's start at the smallest fastener first. This is the 23 gauge pinner. I use this for very small jobs. It's lightweight, it's convenient. I oftentimes use this tool instead of clamps. It's oftentimes joined with glue for structure, but the pins are small. They hold the pieces in place while the glue dries, and because they're headless, they don't typically require any caulk or filler. You can just paint right over it. Absolutely one of my favorite tools to have on the job site. Next up, we've got the 18 gauge brad nailer. This is still a small fastener, most oftentimes used in interior applications and smaller pieces of molding like quarter round. Now, our two larger fasteners are our 16 gauge straight nailer and our 15 gauge angled finish nailer. These are larger fasteners that are great for exterior applications, also larger pieces of molding like base molding or even crown molding. While the straight nailer is ultra convenient, I really like the angled version that allows us to get up into corners like for internal corners with crown molding, but both are awesome and will hold the piece in place. Moving on to our staplers, let's start with the 18 gauge narrow crown stapler. This is a great device for upholstery applications, even putting in flooring underlayment. It's a really powerful fastener and has all the Airstrike features that we've described. Last up, we've got the compression drive 3/8 stapler. On just one 4 amp hour battery, you can drive up to 5,500 staples. Now, that's a lot of staples and will certainly get a lot of work done. This tool is great for putting up chicken wire and is especially good at all of your upholstery applications. Thanks so much for checking out everything we have to offer with nailing and stapling, and we'll see you next time.